What's up, guys? Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Awesome. Today we are going to be doing another vlog for today only. Maybe tomorrow, probably not. Okay, so it's Friday and we get Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday all off. So I have 4 days off, which is basically a school week for me because I go to a special school.
Hi. And I got 18 day and 14 day and
He's only 3, so don't judge him.
yeah.
And we're gonna be doing some crazy stuff.
Yeah, and I'm doing
You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
Do So there's some crazy things you see in Houma, Louisiana. I don't know what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day. It's only 1 o'clock, almost 2. So I'm probably gonna go to Jake's. I don't know. You wanna do woo? You wanna do woo? You wanna do it? Come see. Come see if you wanna do it. Maddox, you want to do it? Come see then. Ready? Do it. Drop it. Drop it, girl. Good girl. Drop. Hey. Drop. So I'm gonna be ending today's part of the vlog, and then tomorrow I'm probably getting either a laptop or a tablet with the keyboard. And Maddox is here with me. I don't know if you can see him that good. But those pictures that you just saw of all the water and stuff, that's my dad, because he's a truck driver and he drives around, and he's in Houston where the floods are right now. So I told him to send me some pictures, and that's what he sent me. Ooh. wanna do it?
Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
Wait, you?
Yep.
Ooh.
So today I'm just gonna wrap it up tonight and not do it to film tomorrow because I got some good pictures, funny pictures like that Hirsch with blood on the side. That was all fake. Just telling you guys right now. And hope you guys enjoyed this video and peace.